it's been a while. I replaced oil more than 1 year ago, and I use this Bosh long distance filter. It lasted me almost 10,000 miles. It's Bosh Distance Plus. This is the old one. This will be replaced by me today. So such type of filters are very highly recommended for such type of vehicles, for example like Lexus IS300, because it's very tricky to replace the filter on this vehicle. It have to be squeezed through here and then mounted right there. It's kinda hard to see from here. This is the mount where it does mount. So I'm basically recommending to use filters something like Bosh, which will last you approximately 10,000 miles. And on this particular model, it's also will be very useful if you will remove this bolt, which is using the 10mm bolt, and you will remove this wire harness from your way, because it's very hard even to remove the filter. That's why you have to squeeze the arms through here and twist him counterclockwise. So let's install the new filter and put the oil and install the filter.